Alright, just doing this quick video because I was stuck with this car and I couldn't figure it out. Nothing online said how to figure it out, so I'm going to try to help other people that had the same issue. So what happened with this is 2014 Ford Focus Titanium with the 2.0. I changed out the engine. I swapped it out with another engine because the engine was bad, and looks like it was misfiring cylinder 1 and misfiring cylinder 4. It would only misfire when the car was revved up under load. When I was driving high, it would start misfiring, and then you would idle and it would go back to normal. I thought it was an injector. It wasn't an injector, it wasn't a coil, it wasn't a spark plug. So what happened here is that after you put an engine on, you have to reprogram or reset the crank sensor. So the crank sensor has to be relearned to the new computer, As you can see now right here, no misfires. All cylinders are running great. So in order to do this, I had to use my scanner. It's Altel Pro, and now I'm driving on the freeway with, going about 80 with load and no issues at all. So if you have that issue where it starts misfiring, maybe cylinder 1 and 4, and then you can't figure it out, and then also the tranny was acting funny, like it was shuddering and skipping. So if you have those issues and you check the coils and everything else and it's not the problem, and you switched out an engine, even if you switched out the crank sensor and it's doing that, you need to reset it. You need to reprogram it with the scanner, or else you're gonna keep on having that issue. It's gonna drive you crazy. All right, you have any questions, just comment. Thanks, bye.